The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. So I am going to be giving you guys another throwback video. Today was supposed to be Thrifting Friday, but because it's Christmas in July, I'm going to be giving you guys some throwback videos as well on Thrifting Fridays. And it's going to be just two videos for 2 Fridays, and then the other 2 Fridays I'm going to be giving you guys some thrifting decorating Christmas ideas. So if you guys are cool with that, then let's get into this video. So I am showing you guys just another way to decorate your mantle, shelving, bookshelf, whatever surface you have. You can throw some garland up on there, some decorations, and make it look absolutely stunning. This year I am going for a more traditional vibe, as you guys know already, and so I just wanted to throw in some more traditional decorating ideas, because I've had some people in the comments that say that they love traditional decor and they would love to see more of it. So I figured I could throw some more traditional Christmas decorating ideas in the mix. And I too myself love traditional, red and green and gold, and I am super stoked about this fireplace decorating because I kind of went outside the box. I think this was like my first time doing something like this, and it just was absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, I did keep a lot of my fall coloring and decor, garlands, things like that, picks in there, because I wanted to be whimsical. I wanted it to look like it was outside, like you were picking up a garland or picking up leaves or picking up something from the outside. At least where I am in the wooded areas, our trees, even at Christmas time, is not completely bare. Some of them are, but some of them still kind of have like leaves falling off of it, just depending on the time that I start to decorate for Christmas. So I kind of wanted it to look like the outdoors as well. So as you can see, I am adding in some dry florals, and I love dry florals, you guys. It is the most inexpensive ways that you can add any type of floral arrangement or decor to your garlands, even to your Christmas trees, even decorating with them, using them as vase fillers and things like that. Dry florals just works, and they are super inexpensive, like I said, and they come in a plethora of colors, tones, shapes, sizes, everything. And I just love the whimsy that it adds to this beautiful garland. So you're just going to see me kind of just adding things into this garland, and just making it Christmassy and traditional and absolutely beautiful. So definitely stay tuned and watch to the end, because I want you guys to see the end result. Also, comment down below and let me know what your theme is going to be this year for the Christmas holiday season. And also let me know if this is something that you guys would ever try to do as well. I know it's over the top. It really is. And that's me. I'm over the top. And my kids, they're just like, Mommy, I miss the overtop you. I miss the Christmas you that you decorated, and all of the overtop stuff, and the reds and the greens and all of the whimsical things. And so I am bringing it back this year just because my kids love it, which I didn't think that they did, but of course they did. They love Christmas just as much as I do, but they really made their opinion, they really said what they wanted to see this year Christmas. And so I'm definitely going to be bringing back a lot of the traditional stuff, a lot of the whimsical stuff, and over the top. So this is what it's looking like right now, and it's just going to be evolving, you guys. So definitely stay tuned, watch from beginning to end. It also helps out my channel. It helps me out. YouTube sees that. They start to push my videos out to other people, other eyes that have not yet seen my channel. So thank you guys so much for your support all the time. Y'all are amazing, and I hope that you are enjoying my Christmas in July throwbacks. I am loving them, and I'm just so grateful to God to be able to have this talent to do this and to share it with you guys as well.
Drinking hot wine by the fire, here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas, and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. And family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Okay, guys, so let me know, what is one memory that you guys have from any Christmas, whether it's your childhood or your adulthood? What is one memory that you guys have that always takes you to a place of like pure joy, pure happiness, and peace? Let me know. So there is a Christmas that we celebrated, and it was with my mother-in-law before she passed away. We just had a blast the Christmas before she passed away. It was one of the most memorable Christmases that I've had as an adult, because she was one of the people in my adult life that I really could talk to and confide in, and just really, just talk to about a lot of things. And I do miss her, especially at Christmas time, because we always had like our traditional shopping where we would go shopping together at Old Navy for the kids, and we would just go bonkers. And I really do miss her, especially at Christmas time. And so that was such a special memory to me, the Christmas before she passed away. And I hold on to that memory and other memories as well. For my childhood, I do have so many Christmas memories from my childhood. Oh my goodness, with my brothers and my mom, and going to the ice cream parlor and just having such a good time. We didn't have much, but what we had, we were so rich. And I always just want to kind of model that in our home, that you don't need to have a whole lot, right, to be happy. So let me know, what is that one thing that that you guys, that made you so happy? This is the way that it turned out, you guys. I still feel like I'm gonna add some more dry florals to it. It still feel like it needs something to me, but I couldn't find a few of my beads, but I'm definitely gonna look for them and add them to the garland. But I am going to be adding some more stuff to it, so you guys will get to see it in its fullness, in its entirety. But for now, I just love the way that it looks. It has that neutral feel to it, and it still gives me earth tone vibes and Christmas vibes as well. Lots of festiveness. So let me know what you guys think, if you are liking it so far, and if you're also liking the direction of where my Christmas decor is going. This is very different for me, and I am loving it so much. The bells, y'all, the bells just add such a pop to it, and I just love it so much. I got the bell from Walmart for $10, you guys. So I love it so much, with all the pine cones, all the details. It just looks so beautiful. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that you guys had a wonderful day, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you can take some inspiration from it as well. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He is the reason for the season. He loves you, and I love you too. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.